I'm unk. I'm chopped. I'm balding. I'm decaying. I will be in a nursing home soon. Oh, I just swallowed this load and it's left this weird taste on my palate. Take a fucking load from this guy. Okay, I don't know where that is. I just needed to make everything go away really quickly. Hold on, oh my god! Make it go away. Okay. You have to just trust me on this. Like, mom piss just hits different. We should test. Everyone collect their mom's pee, send me a sample, and then we're gonna test all of the different ones, all the flavors. Step 1, poop. Step 2, lemonade. Step 3, hot dog. I might have leaked. I'm leaking and you're gonna slip on it. Poop stain. Y'all just gotta start sucking dick. You know how I'm going. Mr. President, I have a surprise for you, Donnie. Donald, come here. I'm gonna get ya. I eat the big poop pizza. It's my favorite. It's delicious. Yep, poop pizza. Yep, that's my favorite, is poop pizza. It's decadent, delectable, delicious. My favorite, the poop pizza. My favorite, yeah. Yes, I fucking eat poop. Okay, well, I have fucking penis envy. Is that what you want me to say? Like, fine, I have penis envy. I have penis envy, so that's why I have to jack off. Wait, that was kind of good. Concrete jungle with dreams of Yowie. There's no one Will can't do. Leap. Creating Jacob Elordi Hassan Yowie in my mind. Watch.